G'day, here's a small parcel of bits and pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted. The white that you can see is a reflection of the lights. I'll zoom in a bit so you get a better look. I'm not going to go through every piece with this. There's a few nice pieces, but it's been sold as a little lot. Nice colour through there. It's got a yellowy sort of tinge to it. Blue piece that was down near the ruler. A few pieces of matrix type material in this. Basically what you see is what you're going to get. This piece has been carved down. Other pieces haven't got so much. But, little stone there perhaps. Again, it's been carved. Piece of nice matrix. Goes right through the colour. Lots of pieces to practice and play with. Some just nice patterns. And there's a fair few more pieces that I'll throw in. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.